Hi guys, so in today's video I want to talk about the benefits of moringa, of feeding moringa to chickens that offers several benefits to the diet of the chickens. So the first benefit is the high in protein. Moringa leaves contain a significant amount of protein which is essential for the growth as well as the egg production. Then vitamins and minerals. Also moringa is rich in vitamins A, C and E as well as calcium, potassium and iron, promoting overall growth in chickens. Then in health benefits, we do have moringa contains antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress in chickens, potentially improving their immune response. Then also anti-inflammatory effects that may help to reduce the risk of diseases and improve recovery from illness. It also enhance or improve egg quality. Then the diets are supplemented with moringa has been linked to a high egg production rates and better egg quality, including shell strength as well as yolk color. Then we also have the digestive health. The moringa leaves can also help to improve the digestion and nutrient absorption, leading to overall health. Then another advantage or benefit is natural immune boost. So the vitamins and minerals in moringa can strengthen the immune system, making chickens less susceptible to diseases. Then it's also a protein aid that can increase the growth rate of the chickens. So incorporating moringa into chickens diet can support their health, improve productivity and offer nutritional benefits, making it worthwhile consideration for poultry farmers. So normally we encourage farmers to dry shade their moringa leaves, then crush either into feed or put them in drinking water. Then the proportion normally we recommend 50 grams of moringa leaves to put it into 5 liters of water, so that they can increase the health of the chicken as well as making it resistant to some of the diseases. So giving moringa leaves, either fresh leaves or even dry shade them, it gives several benefits to the health of the chicken. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, as well as turn on the notification bell so that whenever I've uploaded a video you will be notified. So this is how you prepare the moringa leaves. You crush them, then put them in drinking water, or you can put them in feed. Thank you.